Education Society, redefining excellence.
Everyone, myself Abhishek Topte from second year computer engineering student. We are talking about PBR project to draw topology used in computer laboratory by guide Priyanka Zawarkar ma'am and subject teacher Shakil Tambuli sir.
Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Topte. Title of the project Topology used in computer laboratory. Project guide P.V. Zawarkar madam. A computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocols over digital interconnection for the purpose of sharing resources located of provided by the network nodes. Next point is topology. Topology to present physical and logical network structure to compare visually different topologies and to their combinations to present in the details the network structure with the help of schemes to study and analyze network configuration to communicate effectively to engineers, stakeholders and end users to track network working and troubleshoot if necessary. In a computer network, there are mainly 6 types of physical topology. They are bus topology and its types: ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. Next point is star network topology. A star network is an implementation of spoke hub distribution paradigm in a computer network. And its working. In a star network, every host is connected to a center hub. In this simplest form, one central hub acts as a conduct to transfer message. The star network is one of the most common computer network topology. Real-time example. So we connect our laptops, tablet, PC and smartphone to the wireless modem for accessing the internet. Hence, all our devices connect to a single central device known as a hub. So this probably the best example of star topology. Advantages of star topology. First is it is very reliable. If one cable device fails, then all the others will still work. Second is it is high performing as no data collision can occur. Third is less expensive because each device only need one port and wish to be connected with hub with one link. Fourth is easier to put in. Fifth is reboot in nature. And sixth is the amount of cable required to attach them is so it's easy to line up. Advantage of star topology: requires more cable than line bus. Second is if the connecting network device network switch fails, nodes attached are disabled and can't participate in network communication. Third is more expensive than linear bus topology due to the value of the connecting device. Third is if hub goes down, everything goes down. None of the device can work without hub. Next point is mesh network topology. A mesh network is a network topology in which each node relay data for the network. All nodes cooperate in the distribution of the data. The network working. Mesh network operate in two ways: by either routing the data or flooding the data. When you are routing a message in a mesh network, it progresses along a predefined path, hopping from node to node until the reach its destination. Real-time example. For example, tennis nets and football goals. These are all mesh structures. In mesh network topology, each network node has a point-to-point connection to all other nodes present in the whole computer network. Advantages of mesh topology. First is failure during a single device won't break the network. Second is three is not traffic problem as there is a dedicated point to point link for every computer. Fourth is fault identification is straightforward. Fifth is this topology provide multiple paths to succeed in the destination and tons of redundancy. Fifth is it provides high privacy and security. Next point is disadvantages of mesh topology. First is it's costly as compared to the opposite network topologies. Example star bus point to point topology. Second, installation is extremely difficult in this mesh. Third is power requirement is higher as all nodes will need to remain active all the time and share the hold. Fourth is complex process. Fifth is the cost of implement mesh is above other selection. Next point is ring network topology. A ring network is a network topology in which each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for singles through each node. A ring. Working. Data travels from node to node with each node along the way handling every packet. Real-time example of ring topology. Examples of ring topology network in real life. Ring topology application and uses. SONET stands for optical networking. It is use fiber optic cables for heavy load data transfer for long distance. You can simply think SONET to be a fiber optic cable ring topology. Next point is advantages of ring topology. In this data flows in direction which reduce the chance of packet collections equals access to the resources. Next is it is a cheap install and expand minimum collection and speed to transfer the data is very high in this type of topology. Disadvantages of ring topology. First is due to the until direction ring, a data packet token must have to pass through all the nodes. Second is if one workstation shuts down, it accesses whole network, or if a node goes down, entire network goes down. Third is it is a slower in performance as compared to bus topology. Fourth is it is expensive. Next point is hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses two or more differing networks topologies. This topology can include a mix of bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. Working. Hybrid topology is an interconnection of two or more basic network topologies, each of which contains its own nodes. Second is the resulting net interconnection allow the nodes in a given basic topology to communicate with other nodes in the same basic topology as well as those in other basic topology. Types of hybrid topology: star ring hybrid topology and second star bus hybrid topology. First is star ring hybrid topology. A star ring hybrid topology is a combination of in the star topology and ring topology. Two or more star topologies are connected together through a ring topology. Second is star bus hybrid topology. A star bus hybrid topology is a combination of the star topology and bus topology. Two or more star topologies are connected together through a bus topology. Next point is tree topology. A tree network is a hybrid network topology in which star networks are interconnected via bus networks. Tree networks are hierarchical and each nodes can have an number of child nodes. Working. A tree topology combines characteristics of linear bus and star topology. It consists of group of star configuration workstation connected to a linear bus backbone cable. Example of tree topology: different floors can be connected to each other through combining star topology network and central bus backbone. Second is B-tree looks same as tree topology and it is use different programming language like MySQL, Redis, PostgreSQL and including extra NTFS. Advantages of tree topology: point-to-point wiring for individual segments supported by several hardware and software vendors. Disadvantages of tree topology: overall length of each segment is limited by the type of cabling used. If the backbone link breaks, the entire segment goes down. More difficult to configure and wire than other topology. Next point is bus topology. A bus network is a network topology in which nodes are directly connected to a common half duplex link called a bus. A host on bus network is called a station. Working: a bus topology connects computer along a single or more cable to connect linearly as figure 1. A network that uses a bus topology is referred to a bus network, which was a original from or either networks aren't known as used to for bus topology. Real-time example: an example of bus topology is connecting two flowers through a single line. Ethernet networks also use a bus topology. In a bus topology, one computer in the network works as a server and their computers behave as clients. Advantages of bus topology: it works very efficient well when there is a small networks. Length of cable required is less than star topology. It is easy to connect or remove device in this network without affecting any other device. Very cost effective as compare other network topology, example mesh and star. It is easy to understood topology. Disadvantages of bus topology: bus topology is not great for large networks. Identification of problem becomes difficult if whole network goes down. Troubleshooting of individual device issues is very hard. Need of terminating are required at both ends of main cable. Additional device slow network down. Thank you.